I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the truck and your workspace for a safe engine clean. Park the Chevy Silverado on level ground, set the parking brake, and work only when the engine is cool to the touch. Disconnect the 12V battery and tape both terminals to avoid shorts. Use plastic bags and tape to cover the alternator, air intake, exposed sensors, the fuse box, and any open electrical connectors. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and keep a fire extinguisher nearby in case of solvent fumes or unexpected sparks. With the engine prepped, mix a water-soluble degreaser at a 1:4 dilution and spray it on greasy areas, including valve covers, exhaust manifold heat shields, and lower engine bays. Let the solution dwell for 10 to 15 minutes to break down oil and grime. Agitate stubborn deposits with a stiff nylon brush and smaller detailing brushes for crevices and bolt heads. Use rags to blot heavy buildup. Take care to avoid saturating electrical connectors, CV boots, and the distributor. Mechanical components should be cleaned conservatively to prevent damage. Rinse the engine bay using low-pressure water, keeping the pressure under 50 psi and directing water forward and away from electrical boxes. Avoid a direct high-pressure spray on sensors and connectors. After rinsing, remove protective bags and blot excess water with microfiber towels. Use compressed air to blow moisture from connectors and seams, then start the engine and let it idle for about 15 minutes in a well-ventilated area to evaporate trapped water. Once dry, apply a light silicone-free protectant to plastic and rubber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.